Thank you for tuning in to this week's edition of The Word, where we give you wisdom, connect you with others with the right resources that will hopefully develop you. We're going to get right into it. The Word this week is the Derek Thomas edition. I'm going to give you more about that in just a second. But the word of the week is you. See, the word is also found in the word youth. Never think that you're too old to make something happen. Look inside of you and find the fountain of youth. See, because you're the one person that no one else can do. And if all fails, never forget to do you. We're going to get right into it. Derek Thomas edition. Saturday coming up January 3rd. January 30th, they're having a post-gala party for Derek Thomas, the Pro Bowl weekend down in Miami. So get out there, come on down. Pamela King, KCG Public Relations, with Derek Thomas Mothers Foundation, Moms to Moms, 58.org. Get the information, go to the website, come out and support Derek Thomas, number 55, Hall of Fame linebacker, played for the Kansas City Chiefs. In addition, with Ask the Experts this week, it says if my company doesn't offer paid maternity leave, should I take the full 12 weeks anyway or return to work as soon as possible? Think about that idea. Go to the website of collegerecruiter.com. Each week they have questions where they ask the experts. So if you think you have knowledge in this area, go to collegerecruiter.com and give your information, give your insight, become an expert. Another great opportunity that I've always mentioned is the Toilet Paper Entrepreneur. And this week they had a great blogging opportunity on how do you teach the young people entrepreneurship skills. How do you teach the young people entrepreneurship skills? One thing is find out what they like to do and find ideas on how they can make money just with their skills, whether they like to act, do they like to draw, do they like to sell. Find out what they like to do and build a business around their ideas. And mine was at number 71 this week. Go check it out, toiletpaperentrepreneur.com. And there's also a link in the newsletter where you can sign up to be a blog contributor. Now, here's a few job opportunities. Some people say there's no jobs out there. Well, in New York, it's called the Good Shepherd Services. The website is goodshepherds.org. They're hiring for a development associate grant writer in New York. Opportunities all over the world. And also in Philadelphia, it's called the Community and Schools of Philadelphia. Their website is cisphl.org. And they're looking for a job developer. So you go around, you help people develop jobs, develop job skills. So if you had that, just make it happen. And Cheryl Bunkley, she's at 404-684-6000. She's a great lady throughout, not just locally, but throughout the world, finding job opportunities each week. So contact her if you need a job or if you're an employer and you want to get your jobs out there. She posts jobs all over the internet. And this is this week's edition of The Word. Hopefully I gave you some wisdom, connect you with some other people, gave you some resources, and hopefully that it developed you. And before you leave work, before you stop listening to this broadcast, give someone a whoa, which means give them a word of encouragement. Thank you, and that's my word.